in the next 2 minutes before bed. There's a simple adjustment that can dramatically improve nighttime blood circulation, and most men have never been taught this. For over the years I've been helping men restore healthy blood flow naturally, without relying on medication, and this one habit consistently stands out. What surprises most people is that the real power isn't in what you do. It's when you do it, right before sleep. If you've noticed that your body feels weaker or less responsive in the morning, it's not because something is wrong with you. Blood flow naturally drops at night when stress hormones stay elevated, breathing becomes shallow, meals are eaten too late, or the nervous system never fully settles down. This isn't aging, it's a circulation timing issue. Your body is simply getting the wrong signal at the wrong time. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit that like button, it really helps support this channel. Drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from, I love hearing from viewers all around the globe. And make sure you subscribe, so you never miss strategies that could save you from unnecessary stress or circulation problems. The good news is, your body is extremely responsive when you give it the correct signal before sleep. And what I'm about to show you works by flipping your system out of stress mode and into repair mode, where healthy circulation is naturally restored. Start by sitting or lying slightly reclined, your upper body supported, not flat and not upright. Let your hands rest loosely, unclench your jaw, and allow your shoulders to drop. I remember a patient in his early 60s who told me, "The moment I lie down at night, my body feels tense, like it never really shuts off." Nothing was structurally wrong. His body was simply staying in a defensive posture far too long. Research helps explain why this matters. A 2020 study on vascular responsiveness found that moving from an upright position into a relaxed, reclined posture improved blood flow adaptability by about 27%, simply by reducing vascular resistance and calming the nervous system. This position isn't passive, it sends a clear signal that stress can release and circulation can shift into recovery. That shift supports stronger morning firmness, improved blood vessel responsiveness, better oxygen delivery to erectile tissue, more reliable nighttime circulation cycles, enhanced nitric oxide availability, reduced vascular stiffness, healthier endothelial function, improved pelvic blood distribution, faster arousal readiness, and steadier performance confidence. What can interfere with this is doing it while the body is still overstimulated, such as immediately after heavy meals, alcohol, intense screen exposure, or mentally stressful activity. These keep stress hormones elevated and blunt the circulation response, which is why this works best as the first step in winding down. As for results, many men notice subtle changes, like deeper relaxation or improved morning responsiveness, within 3 to 5 nights. More consistent and reliable improvements in circulation typically appear after 1 to 2 weeks of nightly practice, as the nervous system relearns this pattern. Once your body receives this signal under the right conditions, the next step works dramatically better. Once you're in position, begin a slow inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold gently for 2 seconds, no strain, no force. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, letting the body soften as the air leaves. This specific rhythm is deliberate. A 2010 clinical physiology study showed that slow nasal breathing can improve blood flow distribution by approximately 4% overall, and by as much as 20% in underperfused regions, simply by increasing the availability of natural nitric oxide and reducing vascular resistance. Controlled slow breathing also lowers nighttime cortisol, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and creates the optimal environment for circulation. When this is combined with proper positioning, the benefits extend beyond general circulation: stronger morning erections, improved vascular responsiveness, better oxygen delivery to penile tissue, more consistent nocturnal tumescence, enhanced nitric oxide availability, reduced arterial stiffness, healthier endothelial function, improved pelvic blood distribution, faster arousal readiness, and greater performance confidence. These changes happen naturally as the body relearns optimal blood flow patterns. When to expect results? Many men notice subtle changes, like deeper relaxation or slightly stronger morning responsiveness, within 3 to 5 nights. More consistent improvements, especially in erectile quality and overall circulation, typically appear after 1 to 2 weeks of nightly practice. What matters here is comfort, not effort. If the breath feels smooth and unforced, you're doing it correctly, and the next step builds on this foundation for maximum effect. Now, add a subtle circulation cue to your breathing. As you inhale, allow your abdomen to expand gently, and on exhale, softly release it. You're not forcing anything, just guiding blood flow downward, away from the chest and toward areas that benefit most overnight. I had a patient in his late 50s who told me he'd tried breathing exercises for weeks with little effect, until he added this abdominal cue. Within days, he noticed stronger morning firmness and a greater sense of circulation throughout his body. Research supports this approach. Studies on diaphragmatic breathing show that engaging the abdominal muscles during slow breathing can increase blood return to the heart and enhance peripheral circulation by up to 15 to 20%, improving oxygen delivery to critical tissues, including erectile tissue. The benefits are cumulative: stronger morning erections, better nocturnal tumescence, improved pelvic blood distribution, faster arousal readiness, enhanced endothelial function, and more reliable performance confidence. When to expect results? Subtle changes often appear within 3 to 5 nights, while consistent improvements are usually seen after 1 to 2 weeks of nightly practice. Most men skip this last detail, and that's why results are inconsistent. By combining position, controlled breathing, and this abdominal cue, you give your body the complete signal to restore circulation and wake up stronger. Let's break down exactly why this 2-minute routine is so effective. By combining the correct position, controlled breathing, and the abdominal circulation cue, you're directly activating your parasympathetic nervous system, the branch responsible for rest, repair, and recovery. When the parasympathetic system is activated, your blood vessels naturally relax, which improves nighttime circulation, enhances oxygen delivery to critical tissues, and supports stronger morning vascular response. Essentially, you're helping your body move from a state of subtle tension or stress into a state of optimal recovery, without any medication, supplements, or invasive interventions. This process also supports endothelial health, which is the lining of your blood vessels, improves nitric oxide availability, and reduces vascular stiffness. Together, these physiological changes contribute to better nocturnal tumescence, faster morning readiness, and more reliable erectile function over time. Medical science uses this same principle in clinical recovery protocols for cardiovascular rehabilitation and vascular health. The difference here is that it's simplified and tailored for nightly practice, making it accessible, easy, and repeatable. The key takeaway: the 3 steps work synergistically. Skip any part, and the circulatory and erectile benefits are significantly reduced. Now, there's one common mistake that can completely block these results, and understanding it is critical if you want to see real improvement. One of the biggest mistakes men make is doing this routine immediately after scrolling on their phones, watching TV, or eating a heavy meal. These activities keep stress hormones elevated and disrupt the body's natural circulation signals, effectively blocking the benefits of everything you just did. The fix is simple: create a 5-minute buffer before bed. Turn off screens, avoid food or alcohol, and give your body a small window to start shifting into repair mode. Even just a few minutes of calm before starting the routine dramatically enhances circulation and the effectiveness of each step. Remember, timing matters more than intensity. Doing these 2 minutes correctly in the right environment is far more effective than rushing through them while overstimulated. It's a small adjustment that makes all the difference in restoring blood flow and waking up stronger. Remember, nothing in this routine forces your body, it simply reminds it how to function naturally. You're not fighting against your physiology, you're guiding it into a state of optimal repair. The real power comes with consistency. Just 2 minutes every night, done properly, can be more effective than many supplements or complicated interventions, because it works with your body, not against it. And here's what's coming next: I'll show why this technique works even better after age 50, and the one simple addition you can make if results feel slower than expected. Stick around, you won't want to miss it.